Hi everyone, this is my back-end honors project submission. I want to start off thanking my previous instructor, Travis Smith, for helping me figure out how to create the FindRx tab. I spent about 3 days of research and it was not successful, so I decided to reach out for him for help. He's great. He responds fast on Slack and I really do appreciate his time. So for this project, the goal of this project is to eventually provide a secure database for healthcare professionals to store and retrieve patients' prescription information. Um, and the technology used here would be Flask, SQL Alchemy, Flask Login, WorkZerg Security, and Bootstrap. I'm also applying or applied my knowledge in web development fundamentals before backend, and also Bootstrap that I'm currently in the full stack course. So let's begin. By signing up here, we want to create an account in order to access the information. So the email here, I would say test@gmail.com. My name is Peter. Password can be testing, and then we'll submit. That will store our information in the database, and it will give us a message here, a successful message here. It will redirect us to the FindRx page. We can add prescription information by clicking the New RX tab, entering in all the criterias here. Let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's make it really simple. And now the patient's name has to be first, comma, I'm sorry, last, comma, first. So the last name first and first name second, if that makes sense. So patient's last name, let's do my last name. And my first name, date of birth can be 10/10/1990. The address can be Test Street. Let's do Test, Texas 75044. Okay. Date prescribed, it can be somewhere this month. I'll just do 10/10/2022. Drug can be metformin for diabetes. Okay. Then we can submit, and that will also store it into the database. Now, to access that, we would need to go to FindRx and just simply type in the patient's either first name or last name. I'm just going to do first name. Well, there you go. And it pulled up my information. We get to view it here. And my future project, I feel like I should add the patient's profile and where we can actually access the demographics of the patient. But that's another project. So let's log out. Okay, once we log out, we will be redirected to the login page. Let's enter in our information, test@gmail.com. And the password can be testing. Well, it is testing. So let's hit submit, and I'm logged in successfully. Okay. Now let's say that you enter in the information wrong. Test@gmail.com. The password, I mistakenly put the number 1. I'll hit submit, and it will recognize that. It will give you an error message right away. So let's log in back again. Okay, now we're logged in. We can also see an error message here if we don't enter in all the criteria. Let's hit submit. Okay, so that's all the errors that we will get. And date of birth has to be at least 8 characters. Drug name is required, patient name is required, and there must be 4 characters for the prescription number. We can go back to the FindRx, and our name will still be there, or my name will still be there. There you go. And that is my submission. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good one.